pieces from cutting it. This is what I did last time to the front on that side. So with the scratch I get from that post and this post, I'm actually gonna do this side. Hey everybody, it's Bob with Homestead with Sadie. So here we are again. We're gonna work on the porch some more. We're gonna do some staining today. Yeah. Get it closer to being done. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this spot, we're gonna take what looks like that, and we're gonna turn it into looking like this. Which Sadie or Coco can't get underneath there now, so she's a little upset. So, with further ado, let's get started. This half done, all the way over, side of the steps, front of the steps, and even over here on the side around the bush. So I have all this side done, and Coco, I painted her too. So I'm halfway done. I'm not gonna bore you with the rest, but I'm gonna go ahead and finish it up, the bottom part. And actually when I'm done with the bottom part, then I'm gonna start the post. But I'll be back when I start the post. See you shortly. All right, so we got the bottom completely done. Front of the steps, around the steps, all the way across. And it looks pretty good. Of course, I got Coco and Sadie out here with me supervising. So, it looks really well. I like it. It makes a big difference. Now, tackle these 6 posts. They're going to be black too. And then the top of the porch, the steps, are going to be a mahogany. So, let's start this post. So the posts are done. Oh, here's the ladder out there. Put the post in the bottom. Oh, that looks so good. Looks so good. So, if you like this video, give me a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell for notifications. See you on the next one.